Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make buffalo dip. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce. Also, have 1/2 cup of ranch dressing, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and 1/4 cup of blue cheese crumbles ready. Having everything at room temperature helps with smooth blending. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine the softened cream cheese, buffalo sauce, and ranch dressing until smooth. Next, fold in your shredded chicken and about half of the shredded cheddar cheese. Mix everything thoroughly so all the flavors are well distributed. Then, spread this delicious mixture evenly into an 8x8-inch baking dish. It's time to bake. Sprinkle the remaining shredded cheddar cheese over the top of your dip. If you love blue cheese, now's the time to add those crumbles too. Pop it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's perfect when it's bubbly around the edges and the cheese on top is melted and golden brown. Your amazing buffalo dip is ready. Carefully remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. It's fantastic with tortilla chips, celery sticks, or even sliced bell peppers. For an extra touch, sprinkle some fresh chopped green onions over the top. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those handy leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.